This is the elevator to the campus at Montclair State University, New Jersey Transit Station, Little Ferry, New Jersey. This is the last elevator here, elevator 1. That's the platform elevator, it was 2. 3 and 4 are over there, they're parking deck elevators. Got another very tall hydraulic elevator for just 2 stories. And this one goes to the campus. GAL cowbell. Nice. This one looks like it's got a much better view. It's got a ground. It's not P, it's 0 and ground, not 0 and platform. Look at that. This one has a longer travel distance than the platform elevator. As you can see, that's the platform elevator. Let's go up to 0. Here back on 0. I don't know if 0 means 0 or if it means something else. That door doesn't even open fully. Good on the ground. Indicator view. Let's go back up to 0. This is the motor. Now, these two are pretty tall for hydraulic elevators. Those are the parking elevators, they're traction. That's the 4th floor of the parking deck, meaning despite these being just 2 stops, they travel about 4 floors. A little slow, but nice. Typical transit elevator. I'm not sure how much I trust this thing. Starts up really smoothly. Elevator 1, that one being 2. Parking elevators being 3 and 4. GAL Jet Plus fixtures. Capacity 2,100 pounds. So, there's the other one. This one actually goes lower than it. Chime works, barely. You can see the glass shaft. There it goes. That'll be it.